A lot of writers or non-writers have the advantage of posting long and descriptive captions or descriptions on their Instagram photos. But how do you take advantage of this to really impact people's lives and develop an influence as a writer in the Instagram space? What up, writers, and welcome back to my channel where I teach you to embrace your wellbeing and evoke writing. And yes, Instagram is an amazing platform if you really want to visualize your story and kind of just explain that in a paragraph, go in depth with that paragraph and kind of just visualize your life. So let's get into those tips on how to master captions and descriptions as a writer or non-writer in the Instagram space. And I'm also starting a series which is including how to really develop better descriptions and writings for non-writers, stuff like Instagram, Twitter, how to have your Twitch profile look good, how to make perfect blog posts. Yep, this is the first video starting with that series, so yes. So tip 1 is to have a story. You need to be talking about your life story a lot, actually. This is the sculpture for your writing. It sculpts your writing, it sculpts who you are, and it sculpts just your whole deal. Because if you're not sharing your story in your descriptions, you're not talking about who you are, you're not sharing your past and your struggles, you're not putting yourself out there enough. So you need to be constantly talking about your story and talking about how you got to this point, what you've been through, and kind of how that sculpts your mission, how that sculpts why you're helping people, why are you writing, why are you on Instagram specifically. And it helps you to just kind of resonate with people because they're like, oh my god, I've been through that as well. So like, it helps you connect emotionally with other people. And oh my god, I think I just said something. And it helps you to just to be human, because when you share your struggles and what you've been through, it makes you more human because you're not this perfect robot. You have to show that I'm vulnerable, I've been through stuff, and I have a story, and through that story I can resonate with people. I can show that I've been through this, but that's not going to stop me. So you've been through what I've been through, but that shouldn't stop you to pursue your dreams, or leave that 9-to-5, or to really just have that dream. So have a story. It is crucial. Your creation story sculpts your reality for your whole writing across all platforms. The next tip is to know what you stand for. You need to develop debate as a writer. You just have to. There's no working around it. You have to develop a debate. You need to have that idea of this is us and we're against this, and this helps people to mobilize behind you because they believe what you believe. And you're gonna have haters along the way, and that's a good thing because that tells you who you should be writing for and who the heck you shouldn't be writing for. Because let's get it straight, you cannot appeal to everyone. If you're trying to appeal to everyone, you're appealing to no one. For example, if you really stand for POCs, write about it. Constantly be writing about it, having a movement, having a stance, and saying we're against racism, or have a group where you're against misogyny and you stand for women. Do it. You might piss people off, but that doesn't matter. That's good because it helps show that you're courageous, you're proud of who you are, and you don't give a freak what people think. And it also helps others not only mobilize behind you, but it helps them to stand for something as well, and helps them to be a part of something bigger than they even realized. Step 3, I think, is know who you're writing for. Know your audience. I'm telling you, you don't even know it. You need to know who the freak you're writing for. You cannot just write for everyone like we said in that last step, and it's connected to that first step. You need to know who you are writing for so that you can serve them better, because there's going to be a time where, yes, you can get away with writing for everyone and kind of appealing to everyone and just writing for any person. But there's going to be a time where you need to have a stance on a specific group that you're passionate about, a group that maybe you feel they're underrepresented, you feel like they need guidance, or you feel like you're in that group and you've struggled and you want to help that group kind of get out the grave, open up from the grave, and kind of develop a mission and develop a finish line kind of thing. And not only that, this also helps you to develop authority. And what authority basically means is it helps you to kind of be known for something. It helps people to, when they want a specific type of information, they go to you for that. That's important. If you develop authority on a specific topic that you're a genius at and no one is talking about, you are going to blow up. You are going to freaking blow up. So just have an audience and a type of thing that you're going to be writing about over and over and over on your Instagram feed, and people are going to see that authority and they're going to be like, okay, this is someone I need to freaking follow, need to support, because they know so much about this topic. Even though they may not like that topic or they're not passionate about it, there's going to be a time where that topic comes to their head and they're going to need it and they're going to come to you for it. So be known for something and stand for a specific group always. My next step is to keep your people engaged by, talking about your goals. So talking about your goals are very important because it shows what you want to achieve through that finish line, and what you want to get done. Because when you're writing about like, oh, what I'm up to, what am I doing, what am I kind of doing right now, it helps people to feel more engaged. And like I said, it's good to have your readers participate, be a part of something. This isn't just you, this is your community, this is your people. They're reading your stuff, they're a part of something, and having them participate in those goals, trying to help you reach goals, trying to help you to talk about goals. And also another way of engagement is through asking questions, kind of talking about a certain thing that can really dig into their hearts. And also remember like the type of writing that you're doing. Are you educating someone on a specific topic that you know about? Are you entertaining them through story times and storytelling and kind of helping them de-stress? Are you inspiring, motivating them, giving them that boost to really get through their day and help them just get off the couch to work? Are you persuading them to believe a specific topic, to really stand behind something? Or are you expressing something, like how you feel about something, so that they can feel it as well? These are some of the best ways to help people engage and to show that this is us, this is our community, we're together on this, we're all in this together. So share your goals, talk about what you're up to, talk about what type of writings you want to do, and be asking questions and really just stirring up some emotions within your writing. Always have them feel an emotion, always. And I know it might be really overwhelming and hard at first, but what's important is that you just get started. You hit the start button. What's important is that you start the journey, and you just start your story of improvement and showing your writing, showing your life, because people want to see a journey. They want to see you suck. That's reality. You can't just come out straight off the bat showing that you're a genius at something, because you're going to come off very kind of fake and scummy. So you need to have a journey. People need to see improvement and see how far you've come. So what's important is that you start the journey. Don't even care if you suck, if you don't have the goods, because you will develop it over time. You will get better as time comes. So don't forget to join our Discord down below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more videos of writing and all that jazz. And don't forget to click the next video to keep on learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See what I did there? Halloween spirit.